Today on Mike Attempts, cleaning a septic filter. Most septic tanks have an effluent filter that needs to be cleaned periodically. The filter is located in the solids tank, which should be the one closest to the house. I'll be using a metal coat hanger to remove the filter, and this hook tool I made to remove the inner concrete lid. I'll include a link in the description for one you can buy. Start by removing the outer lid. Now you can use the hook tool to remove the inner lid. Your septic tank might only have one lid, and it could be plastic. Either way, you should end up looking at something like this. If your filter hasn't been cleaned in a long time, it could be below the surface. The black pipe is the filter housing. The filter prevents solids from getting into the leach field. You can see the top of the filter much better now. Use a coat hanger or a stiff wire to pull out the filter. I clean my filter every 2 to 3 years, but depending on your situation, it might need to be done more often. It's best to spray off the filter from a distance to reduce the possibility of getting splashed with nastiness. Use the wire to turn the filter over and keep spraying until it's clean. Be sure the black rubber gasket is seated in the groove, and if you need to touch the filter, I'd recommend gloves. Before reinstalling the filter, check which direction it should face. Mine says outlet with an arrow. Reinstall the filter with the arrow pointing towards the white pipe. I used my hook tool to press the filter the rest of the way down. Replace the lids and you're done. Now go get a shower. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.